Hey buddy, this is going to be the new incubator room. Now the foundation is poured. We got a roll of block around it here. We're going to bolt on top. We filled the block up with concrete. I laid those blocks yesterday. We're going to bolt down a top band on there, and we can frame up our walls. And right here, we're going to come off of this building. It's going to be 10-foot ceiling on this side, 12-foot on that side. And this is going to be our incubator room. We're going to insulate that bad boy. Get it all up. Putting her up, it's looking good. Anyway, wanted to show you what I was piddling on. You see, Roscoe signed it. He had to walk out on our concrete, but everybody signed it. You know, we got everybody's hand in it. Kenya the baboon put her little hand there, and Louise, and everybody, all the kids, everybody's got their hand in the concrete. So we all signed it. So, you know, give it a little originality. That's where the drain and the water comes in for the sink and the drain. There's a drain in the floor there, but we got tape over it, you know. Goes out to a 4-inch pipe. Anyway, this is our new foundation for our building. We're gonna put her up in the next couple days.